This is my audience. Hello there, my name is Shane Baldridge, and today I'll be demonstrating how to create 3 origami napkins, as well as setting up the dinner table, including its plates and its silverware. First, we're going to start off with a silver napkin and create the fan. You want to start off laying the paper flat, after which you're going to fold in half. Then, you're going to start an accordion fold with about a 1/4 inch with each fold. While you are folding the accordion, make sure that each fold is crisp on each crease. By the time you get nearly halfway done with the accordion fold, you're going to stop at about an inch left of space, like so. Next, you're going to have to fold in half like this, crease once more. Then you're going to take the outside corner and tuck it on the inside. That's going to create the stand for the fan. And voila. Next, we'll be doing the black heart. Again, you're going to want to start the paper flat out. Just like the fan, you're going to want to fold in half. And with the same fold again in half, but stop about an inch away from the edge. Next, you're going to rotate it to where the opening is facing you. Much like a paper airplane, fold each side into the center. And you will end up with a little house shape, like so. Next, you're going to want to flip it over, and with each corner at the top, fold small right triangles. Make sure that the creases are really clean on these ones. And make sure that with each fold, you want to make it almost identical to the other side, just so that the heart is even. Don't worry if the paper is going to stick up, because after you flip it over is when it's creating the actual heart shape. Like so. There you go, black heart. And lastly, my favorite, the golden lily. Again, take the napkin all the way out. And this time, leave it in a diamond pattern. You're going to want to fold it in half, but this time into a triangle, facing towards you. Next, you take each side, each point, and bring it to the center point closer to you. Next, flip it over, and with the bottom piece, along with the flaps, fold again into a small triangle with the point facing away from you. Picking up the triangle, you're going to want to take one end and tuck it into the other end. With this, you hold one hand here and shape your circle in the middle. Then you take the flaps and peel it down like a banana. You don't have to go all the way out or all the way down to the bottom, just enough to make it look like a petal. And there you go, golden lily. Finally, I will show you how to set up the dinner table, starting off with the dinner plate, right in the center of your placemat. Up next, the salad plate, right on top of the dinner plate. Then you want your dinner fork on the left-hand side, as well as the dinner knife on the right-hand side. Make sure that the blade is facing towards the plate, because the intention is that your food is your target. If you have the blade facing outside the plate, it could come off as unfriendly or unsafe. Next, the salad fork. And then, the soup spoon. If soup is not being served, the soup spoon does not have to be displayed. Next, the dessert spoon right on top, and the dessert fork right below it. After which, the bread plate goes on the left-hand side, and the butter knife can either be placed at an angle on top of the bread plate, or just right above it. After which, the glass on the right-hand side. And for a little zest, decorate the dinner plate with one of your origami napkins. Finally, this is how to set up the dinner table along with the 3 different origami napkins. Thank you. Here's my audience again.